If you're looking for the perfect travel trailer for a group of friends or maybe a growing family, this could be it. This is the 2021 Keystone Springdale 260 TBWE. Hey, what's going on? I'm Dave Erickson. I'm here at Brett's RV and Marine in Missoula, Montana. They got multiple locations throughout Idaho and Montana. They were nice enough to let me showcase this for you so you can get an idea of what it's all about before you see it in person. Today I'm going to give you a hands-on tour both inside and out, break down some of the numbers for you and specs. First, I got to start by saying thank you to Brett's RV for letting me share this with you. You can find all their contact information, their services, their inventory, both new and used, and there's so much to choose from by going to brettsrv.com or by clicking the link below this video. So here's the Springdale 260 TBWE by the numbers. When it comes to weight, we're looking at dry weight of just under 5,000 pounds, cargo 2653 approximately, hitch weight 525. In terms of water capacity, fresh water at 60 gallons, gray water at 40 gallons, and black water at 38 gallons. At 28 feet 6 inches long, this can sleep between 8 and 9, depends of course on how you configure it. It's got double bunk beds in the rear, sofa bed in the main living area, a private bed right up here up front, which is a 60 by 74 queen size bed. I'll show you that. Extra storage here on the outside, booth dinette, pass-through storage right here, solar prep, and so much more. Now I'm a little overwhelmed on how much comes with this Springdale. My goodness, it's loaded with a power jack here. There's a one-piece, I don't know if I can show you, but I'll try. A one-piece polypropylene heated and enclosed underbelly here, Dexter Easy Lube axles, power stabilizer jacks. Naturally, it's got a power awning. This one is 16 feet long. You'll find LED lights underneath, speakers on the outside. This is cool. Because it has double bunks, you can actually use this for storage from outside access. Look at it, it just holds right up. Isn't that cool? Innovative. Incredible ground clearance, spare tire on the back. It is wired for a backup camera up there. It's camera ready. Zoom in there. Camera ready for the Springdale. This one doesn't come with a slide out. Others do, which I will be doing videos on in the near future. Check out your shower, hot and cold water access there. Fresh water connection, city water connection, and so on. Here's one side of your pass-through storage. This is actually underneath your bed, which you'll have an access to as well, which I'll show you when I get inside. I'm a big fan of these solid steps, which are so easy and convenient to fold up. Stay into place like that, and then just turn this to bring it back down. Solid here, handle to get in. You'll see immediately to your left, control panel for your gas, electric, water pump, awning, and so on. Here's your main living quarters. This converts into sleeping. I'll get to the kitchen in a second. Nice little sofa right here, which, hey, you can sleep on it. And then here is your queen size bed. And I was telling you that you can access the pass-through storage underneath. Look at that. So maybe you have something that you need for your sleeping area that you can just get to without having to go outside. Shelving here. His and hers storage for clothes on the side, window, power outlets. Just super impressed. This is also a privacy door. So unsnap that, you can close your door here just to have a little privacy between you and the people in the living space, for them and for you. How smart is this? Lift this up and now you have another surface to eat off of if you want to sit in this spot right here. This is a 3 burner top for the stove, and then when you lift this up, I always think these are pretty smart, kind of protects the backsplash from any splatter from what you're cooking. If you're not using it, serves as more counter space. Entertainment, music. This unit also has a 7 cubic foot fridge, gas electric, and I always like how smart these are. Can't open it unless you press the button here, so during transit, nothing's gonna come out, open up and spill on the floor. And these double bunk beds are so smart. There's some natural light there. You'll have the lights on when you're here. So you get some real good use out of these bunks. This one's gonna be so comfortable to sleep in. Nothing to wake you up when the sun comes up, unless you're on this bunk. All right, now let's go to the shower. So there's a sink here on the outside with a mirror. Here is your shower with your foot flush toilet, shower stall, skylight, vent, well lit. Now I'm just about 6 feet tall. I step inside and I've got room still above before I hit my head. So I think if you're 6'2", 6'3", that'll probably be the tops. And just another angle as we look back at this great unit. So much flexibility and space to utilize. Well, there you go. Definitely worth a look. You gotta see it in person for yourself. Again, thanks to my friends over at Brett's RV and Marine for letting me share this with you. Hey, check out their information by clicking the link below. You can see their services, their inventory, both new and used, all their details, or by going to brettsrv.com. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.